Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign ringtone to contact on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. So to do this you have to open the phone dialer at the first and then move to the contacts. Right now you have to go for the contact, for example this one, and we have to click here for more, and we have to get the change ringtone and the vibration option. Select the ringtone, accept the permission that will pop on your screen, and first of all we can adjust the ringtone volume. Next we can pick the default ringtones. That's the list of all the ringtones that we have on this device. And if you want to add your custom ringtone, you have to click on the plus in the right upper corner, and you can select, for example, from the folders, from the storage of your device, the song that you want to set. So for example this one, click done, and it will appear right here. So then you can just go back, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.